Hello students. So here we have a new topic to start today and its name is naming words singular and plural. जैसे हम लोग पहले नंबर्स करते थे को याद होगा इट इज़ द सेम टॉपिक singular and plural means numbers. So let's start with the singular. It indicates one person, place, animal or thing. ये चीज़ हमें काउंटिंग के बारे में बताती है कि अगर कोई चीज़ सिंगुलर है तो वो हमेशा एक ही होगी, एक ही पर्सन होगा, एक ही जगह होगी, एक ही जानवर होगा और एक ही थिंग होगी. सो इट विल बी ओनली वन इन काउंटिंग इफ वी लुक एट द सिंगुलर. नेक्स्ट वी हैव प्लूरल. It indicates more than one person, place, animal or thing. ये हमें बताता है कि कोई भी चीज़ अगर दो है या दो से ज़्यादा है तो वो चीज़ प्लूरल होगी. अगर उसकी काउंटिंग वन से ज़्यादा है तो वो चीज़ प्लूरल होगी. सिंगुलर मीन्स वन and plural means more than one. In simple words we will say it like this. Singular means one and plural means more than one. So further we have the examples here. Let's watch it. First example, if we see, we have a single girl standing here, then this is a singular form and here are more than one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like if we have counted them, these are the 5 means more than one. It is a plural form. So this is one and these are more than one. This is singular and this is plural. So one girl, and if there are many then we will say it girls, like they have done girl plus s means girls. So next example we have watch. This is watches. These are more in number. If we see this, here its number is 1, so it is a watch, and here there are more than 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again we have 5, then we will say this as a plural. This is singular as it is 1 and this is plural as it is more than 1. It is watch, and if there are more then they are watches. Next example we have, that is, here we will see we have only seen one lady and here there are more than one. So this we will say lady and here we will see as ladies. This is singular and this is plural because they are more than one. Same in the next example. This is one knife and here we have more than one. We will consider it plural, and this is one, we will consider it as singular. So this is knife and these are knives. So next example we have about the man. We have one person here, so it is man, and here we have more than one. In counting we will see these are two, so these we will consider as plural. This is singular and this is plural. Man and men. So now this was the explanation of your topic singular and plural. Now the work which you have to do on notebook, I'll tell you now. Now before starting your work, as always, you have to mention the date and the day, and then you have to write the topic. So we'll start. This side I have taken all the singulars and this side we'll write plural forms. So first pen, pens, bell, bells, road, roads, bus, buses, class, classes, fox, foxes, calf, calves, city, cities, day, days, tray, trays, goose, geese, ox, oxen, loaf, loaves, tree, trees, lady, ladies. So these are the 15 words which you have to write on your English fair grammar side. Your writing should be neat and clean. You have to learn these also, and at the same time you have to do the written practice also. I hope you have understood with this topic. Thank you.